Tell me, is it supposed to be this high on my butt?
Hey everyone, it's Michelle, and today I'm super excited because I'm doing a big ol' Black Friday, Cyber Monday clothing haul. Yes, not only did I do damage on makeup, but I also got a shitload of clothing for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Oh my god. I know y'all love a good clothing haul, so I'm not trying to disappoint. I've got so much to try on. Let's go ahead and get into it. First up, let's start with Boohoo. This is only my second time ordering from Boohoo. And I feel like the first time it went pretty well, especially for being like fast fashion. The quality was pretty good if I remember right. So for Black Friday, everything was like up to 90% off, and then there was like an extra 10% off. So I got a ton of stuff for super cheap. As we'll go through on this, obviously I try everything on. Some stuff may be too small for me. I ordered some things a size smaller than I normally am because I am on a fitness journey right now. I am losing weight, so if it doesn't fit now, that's okay. We can just laugh at how terrible I look in it and hopefully know that I'll look better in it eventually. Okay, so the first thing I ordered from Boohoo was the off-the-shoulder swing dress. I got it in a size 6, so they don't do the letters, they do number sizing there. So a US size 6, and it was $5.13. It's just like a pinkish blush nude color, whatever you want to call it. And I think since it's loose fitting, it should fit. I typically would order a size 8, but I knew this would be kind of baggy anyway, so I went ahead and got it a size down. Let's go see. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like on. Okay, I'm super glad I sized down in this because obviously it's just like a slip dress, a sheet dress, a poncho, I don't know. This isn't a seam here, just a big ass wrinkle. It's very wrinkly because it's traveled all the way from England. Sorry, I'll never do that again. Anyway, this is just so comfortable. I could wear flats with it. I could dress it up with heels if I wanted to. Really cute, really simple, just nice. Nothing special from the back, obviously, because it's just, but whatever. I could highlight my décolleté, my shoulders, be like a really cute little spring summer dress. Even though we're in winter, whatever, it's fine. Next up, I got the Petite Plunge Flute Sleeve Jumbo Rib Shift Dress. Oh, the sleeves must be jumbo. Okay, I got it in a size 8, and it was $8.56. So it's ribbed all along, and then it has this like cute bell sleeve. I think it's cute. I'm very into this. And then it's obviously like an olive green, army green color, which really is more perfect for fall, but we're getting into winter. Whatever, I'll make it work. Green is honestly like the unsung hero of Christmas anyway, so this could work for the winter time too. I don't know. Did I say it was a size 8? Yeah, I got this in like my normal size, but I can already tell it's gonna be a little tight on my tummy. TMI, I'm on my period. Bloat. Let's go. Oh my god, I sized down in the last one. Should have sized up in this one. Whew. Okay, so let's start with the positives. I like the color. Sorry. And the sleeves are actually really cute. This feels like it should be a shirt. I don't know if I can turn around. Barely. I can barely turn around. Yeah, that's my bum. Woo! Yeah, this one, I don't know if I can do returns. This ain't it. Oh my god, no. And it's uncomfortable. Like, even if it fit, this material does not feel good. It's very itchy. Don't get this dress. Oh, this looks tiny. Okay, this is the Ruched Ribbed Lettuce Hem Skater Dress. And I thought I got a size 6. What size is this? Oh, okay, it is a 6. So this looks way too small. I definitely should have gotten an 8 in this. I think they were all sold out though, which is honestly why I sized down. This is gonna be tight, I can already tell. So yeah, it's a size 6 and it was $8.56. Oh boy. Okay, let's put it on. Okay, aside from it being too tight, this one's not that bad. Well, okay, the material's not that bad. It feels fine. I don't understand the sleeves, this whole sleeve style. I know that it's like in style, but it's just not cute, man. I feel like I'm going to a ball. I don't know. I'm just not into it. Yeah, obviously, again, it's too tight. If it were a size up, I'd feel comfortable wearing it right now. But again, I ordered a size down. This is a size 6, so it's a little too small right now. Knew that going into it. Here's what it looks like from the back. Pretty simple. Yeah, I mean, it's just okay. I do like that this ties so you can cinch it here. I don't know, it's just okay, but it was cheap, I think, right? Yeah. I'm not feeling good about this either. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Okay. So this is actually a coordinating set. It is scallop hem top and culottes cord. Size 8. Oh, so we have these see-through white pants that look like they're gonna be way too small. There's not much stretch in this elastic, and then it's belted. The top, oh, it's like a halter. Okay, it's scalloped, and this whole thing's gonna be a disaster on me. So size 8, $6.85. I don't even want to put this on camera. But transparency. Here we go. Oh my god, this is just... I might have to zoom in to crop out my camel toe because, yeah, this is bad. So, we'll start with the shirt. It's just this scalloping situation, ain't it? It just doesn't feel good. Aside from it being totally see-through, just doesn't feel good. The pants, camel toe city, and like, they even just don't lay pretty. You can see they're totally see-through. Yeah, like you can see everything through them, which I kind of assumed when I saw. This is just bad. This is bad. I'm taking it off and I'm never wearing it again. It's bad. Okay, next up, let's see, what is this? This is the petite square neck bodysuit. Black. I got it in a size 8. This looks like it could be a little big. Once I say that and it's like skin tight. I don't know, it's just like a ribbed short sleeve black bodysuit. It was $3.43. So I mean, pretty great for a bodysuit. And then these, woo, I'm gonna put on with it. How long are these gonna be? These are huge. So this is the ruffle hem slim fit trouser, size 8, and these were $3.43. So also super cheap. They're also super thin. The leg, I didn't notice this online. Holy shit. It's like Elvis Presley leg. That's gonna be interesting. All right, I'm gonna put them on together. Let's see. All right, so. Yep, okay. I have so much to say, and yet at the same time, I feel like it can speak for itself. Yeah. So, here's the lines of this bodysuit. Remember how I was like, oh, it looks a little big? Yeah, totally wrong. It was so fucking hard to get into. So sweaty, and it's like coming up my hot pocket. I don't know if you can tell, but it's literally like all the way up my ass. So there's that. Yeah, if I could, I don't know if I could cut the bottom of these pants off. Yeah, no, it's a no. Whew. Okay, and then I got, what is this? All right, this is the basic bandeau bodysuit. It's a size 8. It was $3.43, and these side cuts come up really high. It's just like a beige color. Okay, and then I got a basic jersey mini skirt in an olive green color. This is a size 8, and it was $1.71, so hella cheap. So yeah, I'm gonna put these two together. I know they're not gonna match the best, but it is what it is. I'm just making an outfit, but I got all these clothes from Boohoo for $41.10. And I mean, I got a ton of stuff, and not all of it's great, but it's a pretty good deal. So let me put this on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so not something I wear together, but the bodysuit actually fits like it's supposed to, I feel like. And the skirt, I feel a little too thick with it to wear it like with something tucked in right now, but under something, it'd be totally fine. It's like really soft jersey, yeah, like they said. And then again, this bodysuit's really comfortable. This is like probably the best thing I ordered. Well, that first dress was good too. As you can see, this isn't all the way up my butt. I mean, I could fix it a little more, but it's not terrible. Yeah, this one's good, not bad. Next, just because this one will be so fast, this is from Hot Topic. And it looks gigantic, unfortunately. It's a size medium, and it's normally 25 bucks. I got it for half off. It was 12. So yeah, it looks really big. Maybe I can tie it. It just says Gemini over here in the corner, and then it's got the constellation. I'm a Gemini, obviously. I just thought it was really cute. So I'm just gonna put it on. I'll probably just keep my pajama pants on. Or no, you know what? I'll wear the skirt that I was just wearing. That green skirt. Why not? Fuck it. Womp womp womp. Just like I knew, this shirt would be too baggy. Maybe I can exchange it for a small. I think it's super cute. I really love this little Gemini thing up in the corner, and it's super comfortable. But is it super comfortable because it's big or because it's comfortable? I don't know. Honestly, I don't even think it looks that bad baggy. I'd probably wear it like this, like with a pair of jeans. Probably be totally fine now that I'm looking at it. It's a win. It's good. Next up, SHEIN. It wouldn't be a haul for Michelle without a SHEIN order. Pew, pew, pew. These are just 2 tops, so I'm gonna keep that green skirt on for everything just because it's easy. So this is the raw cut off the shoulder tee. I got it in a size medium and it was $6.86. I have the same thing in navy and I really wanted to order it in black, so that's why I did that. I'm sure I'll love it, but just in case, I'll go ahead and try it on. All right, this fits exactly like the blue one does. Thank God. I love it. I love that it's like a little off the shoulder moment. It's just super comfortable, super cozy, and it's lightweight so that I won't sweat to death, which is key. It's perfect. All right, this one I'm actually a little worried about. Oh, do you see all that? Oh, this looks scratchy. It is the off the shoulder solid sweater. It looked a lot cuter online. This is like the poopiest. Oh no, SHEIN. Come on, man. Come on, man. This looks terrible. Off the shoulder. Looks like a turtleneck. It's one size fits all, which is never a good sign. And it was $5.42. Look at the sleeves. All right. Smells bad too. Let's put it on. This has got to be the itchiest, ugliest thing I've ever put on in my life. I need to find a picture and put it like up here or up there of the model wearing it because it was cute. I swear. I promise. Nope. I want to put it in a fire. Oh my God, it's so itchy. No, 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 no. Oh my God. All right, I placed an order with H&M. They have some of my favorite graphic tees. You guys. This just screamed 90s to me. I loved it so much. Oh, okay. Anyway, sorry. It's a size small, which might be a little too small right now, but I'll shrink into it, knock on wood. It is the Titanic t-shirt, size small, and it was $5.03. So, I gotta put it on. Okay, obviously, wouldn't wear the skirt with it, but you guys. It's not too small, actually. I think it's hilarious. That's good. Sing it with me. The Titanic song by Celine Dion that totally was playing in my head, but it's I don't want to get copyright stricken, but I don't know. I'm not even monetized, so can they do that? Probably. They have millions. I have nothing. This shirt's good. It's good. $5? Fuck yeah. All right. And then I got this one from Dirty Dancing. I do already have a similar shirt, but I got makeup stained on it and it won't come out and I'm devastated. So now I got this new one and it says nobody puts baby in a corner. It's a size small. I can already tell this one's gonna be small, but that's all right. This one's a little more expensive at $8.18. So I'm gonna put it on. Oh, it's another winter baby. So good. So good. Nobody puts baby in a corner. Nobody puts me in a corner. This is thebomb.com. Yeah, I'm so happy. God, they just make the best graphic tees. They have this queen one I really want, but it's always so expensive. One day. But this is great. All right, and then I got this little like crop toppy thing. What did they call it? They just called it a black bustier. So this was $5.03. I just thought it was a cute little crop top. I don't know. I'll put it on. I'll come close for this. This is exactly how I thought it would be. Just a simple little crop situation. I think it's really cute. I know the tag's in the way, but that's it from the back. Cute. I also got this thong, but not putting that on. It's been a long time. I actually ordered from Dainty Hooligan Boutique for their Cyber Monday sale. Everything was like dirt cheap. They pack their shit so tight. All right, first up, I got the Sweet Devotion midi dress. It's mustard and it's a size small, which I am worried about, but I don't know. We'll see, man. It was $3.99. Ooh, it's super long. I'm not gonna be able to show you all this on camera until I'm standing. God, it's very chesty for some girl that does not have a chest. I'll put it on. Yeah, so... Okay, I'm just gonna have to do this because I've been trying to get it on by myself. I can get it to like zip up. It's too tight. I can barely move my arms. But, yeah. So I bought this envisioning that it'd be like the perfect wedding guest outfit to like a fall wedding. And then I ordered it, and then I remembered, Michelle, you're 29, all your friends are married. So there goes that idea. But if any of my friends get divorced, have a September, October wedding. Yeah, nope, too tight. All right, next I got the hole-in-one gray tank top. It's a size medium and it's $3.99. It's just got holes everywhere. Let me put it on. I guess I could put it on with these shorts, even though it won't match that great. These are the Floral Paradise shorts. They're a size medium, and they were $3.99. All right, I'll make it work. I'll put them on. Okay, so I don't like these two together, but separately, very cute, right? So the shorts are super cute. I think they're like a great length. They're not too short. Well, I can pull them down a little, but they're not too short. The booty's not hanging out, and I like the pattern, and they have pockets. Awesome. And then this tank top's really cute too. It'd look better with like jeans or denim shorts, but cute. Oh, what? What is this material? Oh no. Oh no. Oh, that's bad. They looked like silky online. This is a terrible material. These are called the Lounge Around Pant, and they're a size medium. I got them for $2.99, and I can see why. That's what the bottom looks like. Oh, fuck. All right, I'll put them on with something. Ironic, these are called the Lounge Around Pant because this material is not for lounging. It is not for comfort. It's not good. They're like shiny. They're like Christmas stocking material. Tinsel, I don't know. I mean, the booty doesn't look too bad in them, but I wouldn't wear them in public, so what's the point? No. My total at Dainty Hooligan, I will say, after all 4 of those items, then they had like a code for an extra percentage off. It was $11.97, so 4 things for $12. That was with free shipping and everything. Not bad. All right, and this was my most expensive purchase from Black Friday. I don't normally shop at American Eagle, but Carrie Dayton did a video. It was like a sponsored video for American Eagle, and she tried this outfit on, and I was like, yep, want it. So everything was 40% off, and then I had a coupon code for an extra 20% off. This is the Fair Isle This is the Fair Isle turtleneck sweater dress. I got it in a size small because it's a sweater dress. Hopefully that fits. And I thought it was really pretty. It looks super warm and cozy, even though I live in Savannah. It'll hopefully get cold by Christmas. We will see. Normally $70, but I got it for $38.58. Still really expensive. I know. But I'm gonna try it on with something else that's super expensive, because Carrie was also wearing these boots, and I feel like she made me. Look at how tall they are. I don't have any really tall boots. These were also $38.85 after the discount, normally $69.95. So I'm gonna put these bad boys on with that dress and hope I love it. And if not, good, I get to return it and get my money back. We shall see. Okay, sorry, I was sweating to death. I had to throw my hair up. So, okay, I hate these together. Let's talk boots. So, I love how high these go up, and they have ties. Let me scoot back. They have ties so that like they're not just, I don't know a nice way to say it. They're not just squishing the shit out of like your thigh fat, your thigh meat. I think they're really cute actually. This dress, okay, other than it being 1,000,000 degrees out here, it's so hot. And I don't know that I think it's cute. I mean, there's just so much fabric, and it's very warm, but like too warm. I don't know. This is a maybe. I mean, I just gotta think, for $40, is it worth it? I don't know. Probably not. Okay, that was a ton of clothes. I'm tired, I'm hot, I'm sweaty, and I just wanna get my pajamas on and lay down and not do anything. But I'm a mom, so that's not reality. Anyway, what stores did you guys take advantage of during Black Friday? I would love to know in the comments below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you later. Bye!